it's me, Ariana, and welcome back to my channel, The Art of Everything. So you can see I'm in my room, not on my tent, not on my bed, and I don't usually film videos in here, but I moved my desk into my room, and you might want to see it. Well, good news for you, because I am going to do a room tour right now. Let's get started. Start with my desk. I have a lot of this stuff out in my tablet. Some books, my computer, my iPad holder. That's my feet when, that's a picture, and then I'm a really big Harry Potter fan. So, and they have a time turner in there. And then this yarn stuff and scissors and hook and is all KiwiCo stuff. I'm really excited always to do KiwiCo. And then I have my bed, this plank I found, and then my sleeping shoes, and that my carpet, my chair, and then this is my closet. This is where I keep some of my toys. I just moved my desk in my room, so on my top of my drawer, all of my stuffies are there. And then this is my door. This is like my hoodie and my gymnastics bag because I love gymnastics. Then I've got some pictures. This is my name, and I think half Arabic or something. And there's a cupcake jar. That's my name. And then you can see me in the mirror. Hey! My friend made that for me all by herself. We got my laundry. We got my mirror again. Got some beach things over here. My bean bag. It's morning right now, so my blinds are closed. I got these horseshoes I made at camp. That's me right there. And this is Pumpkin. Then this is Westy, but we didn't take a video of him because right now he's not a camp horse. And this is my American Girl doll recording studio. This is my light stand. It's a picture of me when I was a baby. I have all of this stuff. My plant, her name's Tweety. And I've got a lot of stuff like this. One of my stuffies that I sleep with, Element. And then I got another one named Hedwig somewhere, right here. Then I have my maps. And I used to have my bookcase where my desk is right now, but we changed that to where my desk is. I have some fidgets in here and some sticker book. Masking tape, and then here I've got like just chargers and stuff. Watching my room tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications when new videos come out. And in the comments below if you want to see some of the stuff, if you're curious for more. Thanks, bye!